Hey everyone, welcome back to Juragan English Channel.
Hello, hello. I am Alex, and today we have a very special and exciting...
That is right. Today, we are going to talk about how to ask a girl out on a date in English.
Yes, this is one of the most requested topics from our viewers. And today is finally the...
So if you have a crush and you want to ask her out in English, this episode is for you.
Before we start, please hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell right now.
Okay, Alex, let us set the scene for today's conversation practice.
Great idea. So imagine this. Alex just met a new girl.
And Alex thinks Mia is really nice and he wants to ask her out on a date.
Exactly. So let us practice how that conversation...
Remember everyone, listen carefully and try to repeat the phrases out loud.
The more you repeat, the more natural it will sound when you use it for real.
Okay, let us start the practice conversation. Ready, Alex?
Ready? Okay, here we go. Hi, my name is Alex.
Oh, yes. I remember you. Hi, Alex. I am Mia.
Nice to see you too, Mia. You look really nice today, by the way.
Oh, thank you so much. That is really sweet of you to say.
I was actually hoping I would run into you again. I really enjoyed talking to you last time.
Me too. You are really easy to talk to. I had a great time.
So, Mia, I was wondering, would you like to grab a coffee with me sometime?
Oh, I would love that. That sounds really nice.
Really? That is amazing. How about this Saturday afternoon?
This Saturday works perfectly for me. What time were you thinking?
How about 3 o'clock? I know a really cozy cafe near the park that I think you will love.
That sounds wonderful. I love cozy cafes. I am already excited.
Me too. I will text you the address. Can I have your number?
Of course. Here it is. I am looking forward to it.
Okay, end of the practice conversation. Now let us break it down together.
Great idea. Let us look at all the key phrases Alex used in that conversation.
The first phrase was, "You look really nice today, by the way."
Giving a genuine compliment is a wonderful way to start a conversation with someone you like.
Make sure your compliment sounds natural and sincere. Do not overdo it.
The next key phrase was, I really enjoyed talking to you last time.
This shows the girl that you are genuinely paying attention and you value the conversation.
Girls really appreciate when someone remembers the details of what they talked about.
Then came the most important phrase. Would you like to grab a coffee with me sometime?
Grab a coffee is a very casual and relaxed way to suggest a date. Not too serious.
It takes the pressure off and makes the invitation feel friendly and fun.
You can also say, would you like to hang out sometime? Very natural and casual.
Or, I would love to take you out for lunch one day, if you are free.
Adding, if you are free, makes the invitation feel more respectful and considerate.
It shows you respect her time and schedule. Girls really appreciate that.
Okay, now let us practice what to do if the girl says no.
This is so important. Not every invitation gets a yes, and that is totally okay.
If she says no, you can say, no worries at all. I completely understand.
Or you can say, that is totally fine. Maybe another time then.
The key is to stay calm, be graceful, and always be respectful about her answer.
Never pressure someone or make them feel bad for saying no. Always be a gentleman.
In English we say, always respect her decision, no matter what her answer is.
That is such important advice. Respect is the most attractive quality of all.
Okay, let us also learn some other great phrases for asking someone out.
First one. I think you are really interesting, and I would love to get to know you better.
That phrase is so sweet because it focuses on her personality, not just her looks.
Second phrase. Would you like to go for a walk in the park this weekend?
A walk in the park is so relaxed and low pressure. A great first date idea.
Third phrase. I know this great restaurant downtown. Would you like to try it together?
Suggesting a specific place shows that you have already thought about it. So thoughtful.
Fourth phrase. I had so much fun talking to you. Can we do this again soon?
That one is perfect for after you have already had a great conversation with someone.
Fifth phrase. Is it okay if I text you sometime? I would love to stay in touch.
Asking for permission to text is very polite and shows great manners.
Okay, now let us talk about what not to say when asking someone out.
Yes, this is just as important as knowing what to say.
Do not say, "You are so beautiful. Will you be my girlfriend?" on the very first meeting.
Ha ha ha, that is way too fast and too intense for a first conversation.
Always start casual and friendly. Let the connection grow naturally over time.
Do not say, "Why not? It is just a date," if she says no to your invitation.
That puts unnecessary pressure on her and will make things very uncomfortable.
Instead, always respond to a no with kindness and understanding, like we practiced.
The golden rule is be confident, but always be kind and respectful at the
Confidence plus kindness is the most attractive combination in any language.
Let us do one more quick practice conversation. This time, a little more casual.
Great. Okay. Imagine Alex and Mia are classmates who have been talking for a few weeks.
Hey Mia, I have been thinking, there is a new cafe that just opened near campus.
Oh, really? I heard about that. It looks so cute from the outside.
Right? I thought maybe we could check it out together this weekend. What do you think?
That sounds really fun. I am free on Sunday. Does that work for you?
Sunday is perfect. I am really looking forward to it already.
Me too. It is a date then. See you Sunday.
See you Sunday, Mia. And end of our second practice conversation.
Did you notice how natural and easy that conversation sounded?
When you use simple and friendly English, asking someone out does not have to feel scary at all.
The key phrases from that conversation were, I thought maybe we could,
I thought maybe we could is so soft and gentle. It does not feel pushy.
and asking what do you think gives her the power to decide. Very respectful.
Okay, everyone. Let us do a quick review of all the best phrases from today.
Phrase 1. You look really nice today. Great opening compliment.
Phrase 2. I really enjoyed talking to you. Shows.
Phrase 3. Would you like to grab a coffee with me sometime? Casual and friendly.
Phrase 4. I thought maybe we could. Soft and low pressure.
Phrase 5. No worries at all. I completely understand.
Phrase 6. I would love to get to know you better. Focused on.
Phrase 7. Is it a date then? Fun and light way to confirm plans.
These phrases will make you sound so natural and confident in English.
Now it is your turn to practice everyone.
Go to the comments and write your own version of asking someone out in English.
Try writing. Excuse me, my name is blank. Would you like to blank with me sometime?
Fill in the blanks with your own words and make it your own.
Do not worry about being perfect. Just be brave and give it a try.
Every comment you write is real English practice, and we are so proud of you for trying.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a big thumbs up right now.
and share this video with your friends who want to learn how to ask someone out in.
Subscribe to Juragan English Channel so you never miss our next fun episode.
We have so many more exciting conversation topics.
Remember, confidence grows every single time you practice your English.
So keep going, keep practicing, and never be afraid to speak up.
We believe in you, and we are cheering for you every step of the way.
Thank you so much for watching today. You are truly amazing.
See you in the next episode of Juragan English Channel.
Bye everyone. Stay confident, stay kind, and keep smiling. You got this.